Hello, first graders. So today our lesson is Module 12, Lesson 6, Represent, Make 10 to Add. Here's our I can statement, I can use the Make 10 strategy to add a two-digit number to a one-digit number. So here's our problem for today for Spark Your Learning. Ryan has 39 lemons. Toss the number cube or dice to find out how many more lemons he gets. If you don't have a dice, just pick a number between 1 and 6. How many lemons does Ryan have now? Okay, so that was our first reading. Let's read it a second time and really visualize what's happening. So you're picturing a boy named Ryan. He has 39 lemons. He's getting more lemons. So what are we going to do? We are going to add those things together. So let's first start out by doing a quick picture of the 39 lemons that Ryan has. So we know that 39 is 3 tens and 9 ones. So 3 tens and 9 ones. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And I'm going to say that he gets 4 more lemons. So I'm going to put my 4 more lemons that he's getting over here. So the strategy that we're working today, called Make a 10, means that we are taking these 9 ones and we're adding some of the ones over here to make another group of 10. So you know that if we have 9, all we need to do is add 1 more, and now we have another 10. So now instead of just having these 3 tens, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. And we have 3 leftover ones. So that is telling us that if Ryan had 39 lemons and he got 4 more, then he would have 43 lemons, which is correct. Think about whether that makes sense. You could also check your thinking. Put 39 in your head and count on 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. That would be another way to solve this problem. But we're using this page to illustrate that Make a 10 strategy. Even though that might not be the easiest strategy in this situation, we're just using it to think about and talk about that problem. Let's move on. Build understanding. There are 47 books on a shelf. There are 9 books on another shelf. How many books are on the 2 shelves? So this time they've done the quick pictures for us. So 47 books. Right here we have 4 tens and 7 ones. That represents the blue right here represents the 47 books that are on the shelf. These 9 green ones represent the 9 books that are on the other shelf. So how many books are there? So I'm going to make a group of 10, and it doesn't matter which 10 ones I'm circling. I could circle these 7 and add 3 more on over here. I could circle these 9 and add 1 over there. At any rate, I know if I have 7, I need to circle 3 more from this group. So I'm going to take these 3 down here, put them in my circle with my 7. So that is another group of 10. So now I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. There are 56 books altogether. Explain how you solved that problem. I would probably just write circled 10 ones to make another 10. That's how we solved it. So we're saying that 47 plus 9 is 56. Step it out. These always take it one little tiny step at a time. So here's number 1. This is our problem. There are 26 red butterflies and 8 blue butterflies. How many butterflies are there? So let's picture that. We're in like a conservatory or a garden. we have 26 red butterflies and 8 blue butterflies. How many butterflies are there? So what are we doing? We are adding. Make a 10 to solve this problem. First, show 26 red butterflies. So right over here, they're showing us. They did that part for us. 26, 2 10s and 6 1s. Then show the blue butterflies. So here are the 8 blue butterflies. Remember, not 8 10s, 8 1s. There are just 8, not 80 of them. Think, show a group of 8 1s. Group 6 1s and 4 1s to make another 10. So they're telling you, and you know your quick 10s, we've played lots of games with quick 10s, that if we have 6, we just need 4 more to make a 10. So we're going to circle those 10 ones all together. If we lined up those 10 little green ones, and you can do that with your packet at home, you have these green cubes with you. If you line up 10 of those little ones, it's exactly the same as a 10. So now we have 1, 2, 3 10s. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. Now, before I did the circling, we had 2 10s and 14 1s. And that is the same thing. They're both equal to 34, but that's just a different way of writing it. So let's slide down a little bit here. And let's write the equation. So we had 26 butterflies plus 8 more butterflies equals 34 butterflies. And you can see that in the picture we did right up here. This is the 26, and then this is the 8. So 26 plus 8 is 34 butterflies altogether. Step it out. 17 children are in the pool. 6 more children join them. How many children are in the pool? So let me read that one more time. You're visualizing a pool. 17 children are in the pool. 6 more children dive in. Okay? How many children are in the pool? So let's follow directions and step it out one part at a time again. First, draw to show the numbers 17 and 6. So I'm going to make 17 with blue. These are the children that were in the pool. 17 is 1 10 and 7 1s. There's 5, 6, 7. That's my 17. And then 6 children join them. Okay. Now I'm going to group 7 of the 1s plus 3 more 1s to make another 10. So I'm taking these 7 1s and I'm adding 3 more 1s because I know that 7 plus 3 is 10. And now there are 2 10s and 3 leftover 1s. So write an equation to solve the problem. I'm going to change that color. I think that green's a little hard to see. So if we have 17 and we add on 6 more kids jump in the pool, that would be the same as 23 children in the pool. At the bottom, I want you to check understanding with this problem. Make a 10 to solve. Jay has 16 pens. Ella has 9 pens. How many pens do they have all together? So again, we need to do a quick picture of each of those numbers. So get really good at these quick pictures. They're super important. Maybe have mom and dad give you a number and have you draw it on the marker board. It's important that you be able to do a quick picture for all of these numbers. Actually, every number on the hundreds grid, you should be able to do a quick picture for. So 16 is 110 and 6 ones. So I know 110 is my line and 6 ones. So Jay has 16 pens. Ella has 9 pens. I'm going to draw Ella's 9 over here. And that means that we need to make a 10. And I know, because I've played Make a 10 and I know the rules, 6 plus 4 makes 10. And if you don't know that 6 plus 4 makes 10, first of all, you should be getting on reflex and practicing that. But if you don't know that 6 plus 4 equals 10, then just count them. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I know that 16 plus 9 is equal to, now I have 1, 2 10s, and I have 5 leftover ones, which is 25. Let's count to check our thinking. So this would be 10, 20, stop, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 16 plus 9 equals 25. All right, give the rest of these pages a try on your own. I know that you can do them. Check them with your parents. Be sure that you do quick pictures in the box. Down here at the bottom, there are several that you don't have room to do the quick picture, so you can do the quick picture on your marker board or on a separate piece of paper. Or if you want to use another strategy to count on, if that's easier for you, you can do that. But just be sure that you are able to draw a picture. Be sure to use the picture on those two. And there are several on your own pages in this lesson, which is why you have 2 days to complete this lesson. So take your time, and I will chat with you tomorrow.